Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Pearson Vue account and signing in now. This is the single gateway to cancel. Once signed in, go to Appointments and find the specific booking using the confirmation number. Make sure you confirm the exam code so you cancel the correct slot. Mistakes can cost fees. If you don't see the appointment, check the email confirmation, then proceed to the Manage Appointment link and prepare to select Cancel. This immediate action prevents missing the allowed window. Once in Manage Appointment, click Cancel and follow the on-screen prompts. You need to choose a reason only if asked, but always confirm. The system will show whether a refund, credit, or fee applies. Read that line because it explains the financial outcome. Make sure you click the Final Confirm button. Some pages require a second confirmation. After cancellation, copy or screenshot the cancellation ID and email receipt for records, since you'll need proof if disputes arise. You finish by checking your inbox for the cancellation email and saving the cancellation ID now. That closes the loop. If the email doesn't arrive within 30 minutes, make sure to check spam, then call Pearson Vue support using the number in your region while citing the original confirmation number. If the website blocks cancellation, try a different browser or clear cache and repeat. If that fails, support can cancel manually. Keep payment details ready for any refund verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.